Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a journal using Canva. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for a free one. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in A4 document or US letter depending on your journal size. Press enter and choose a blank template. Now you're on the Canva editor. This is where you'll design your journal pages. Let's start with the cover. On the left side of the screen, click on Elements and type in keywords that match your journal theme. For example, if your journal is for mindfulness, type in nature, calm, or meditation. Drag the images or illustrations you like into your page. You can resize them or move them around. Next, click on Text on the left panel. Choose a heading style and drag it onto the page. Type your journal title, something like My Daily Journal or Gratitude Journal. You can change the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top of the screen. Position the text where you want it on the page. Once the cover looks the way you want, it's time to add pages for the inside of your journal. At the bottom of the editor, click Add Page. This new page will be your journal layout. You can keep it simple or create custom sections. For example, let's design a daily journal page. Go to the Text tab again and add a small heading that says Date. You can place it at the top left corner of the page. Make the font size smaller than the title on the cover. Next, create writing prompts or section titles. Add another heading and write your heading. Underneath that, click Elements, then scroll down and add a simple line or rectangle shape. This acts as a writing area. Repeat this for other sections. Add as many lines or boxes as you need for each section. To keep everything neat, use the alignment tools. Click on any element and use the position button at the top to center or align it left or right. When one page layout is done, you can duplicate it. Look above the page and select Duplicate Page. This saves time so you don't have to design each page from scratch. You can make small changes to each one if needed. When your journal is ready, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. Then choose Download. Select PDF Print for the best quality, especially if you want to print the journal. Click Download and wait for the file to be saved to your computer. Now you can print it out or upload it somewhere if you're selling it digitally. That's how you design a complete journal using Canva. Thanks for watching.